Welcome back to our Christmas specials. As our gift to you, magre-release kami ng exciting recipe videos na pwede nyong gawin for business or at home. Today, we will share 4 latte recipe ideas using our newest milk tea flavor, Dalgona Coffee Drink Mix. Talagang magiging merry ang Pasko nyo with these 4 easy latte drinks. For our first latte recipe, it is so easy you can make this in less than 3 minutes. So we just need 150 ml of concentrated Dalgona milk tea. Next is 150 ml of fresh milk and 300 grams or 3 cups of cube ice. For concentrated Dalgona, just mix 30 grams or 3 tablespoons of Dalgona powder and 120 ml or 1/2 cup of warm water. Mix until fully incorporated. Now let's add in our 300 grams or 3 cups of cube ice in our 22-ounce cup. Add our concentrated Dalgona mixture. And add in our 150 ml or 2/3 cup of fresh milk. Easy lang, talagang panalo, itsura pa lang. Our next recipe is Mocha Latte. We just need 150 ml of concentrated Dalgona milk tea, 150 ml or 2/3 cup of fresh milk, 300 grams or 3 cups of cube ice, and 20 ml or 1 1/2 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Halos same procedure lang sa ating first recipe at perfect na kapares pa ng inJoy praise fries tuwing merienda. Next is cinnamon latte. For this, we just need 150 ml or 2/3 cup of concentrated Dalgona, 2/3 cup of fresh milk, pinch of cinnamon powder, and 3 cups of ice. For this recipe, just mix 30 grams or 3 tablespoons of Dalgona powder, pinch of cinnamon powder, and 120 ml or 1/2 cup of warm water. Mix until fully incorporated. Now add 3 cups of cube ice in your 22-ounce cup. Add your concentrated Dalgona with cinnamon mixture and add in your 150 ml or 2/3 cup of fresh milk. Perfect to sa mga cinnamon lovers natin na inJoypreneurs. And for our final recipe, sabi nga nila, save the best for last. Pero lahat naman to, the best. For our caramel macchiato latte, we just need 200 ml or 1 cup of concentrated Dalgona milk tea, 100 ml or approximately 1/2 cup of fresh milk, 300 grams or 3 cups of cube ice, 30 ml or 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup. Lahat ng ingredients na ginamit natin for these recipes ay mostly available sa aming Negosyong Bayan outlets, sa aming Shopee and Lazada store at inJoyph, or you can visit our website at www.doxa.com.ph. Delicious and easy to prepare Christmas latte recipe using inJoy Dalgona milk tea. Actually, hindi lang pang Christmas but for all year round. Add nyo na rin sa business nyo para sa dagdag kita ngayong ka-paskohan. And that's it for this video. We hope na appreciate ninyo ang mga recipes na ginagawa namin para sa inyo. Kung oo, paki-like naman ang video na ito at mag-comment. Malaking tulong na ito sa amin. Thanks for watching! Bye!